Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make extra money online, and it's completely free to start. It's called InboxDollars, a platform that actually pays you for doing simple online tasks like surveys, watching videos, and more. So here's how it works. InboxDollars connects big companies with people like you who share their opinions. When you complete surveys, play games, or even read emails, you earn real money, not points. Each survey shows how much you'll earn before you start, and the more active you are, the more cash you can make. Now, about payments. This platform pays through PayPal, prepaid Visa cards, or gift cards from popular stores like Amazon and Walmart. You can cash out once you hit the minimum balance, and yes, it's 100% legit and available in the US and some other regions. And here's the cool part. When you sign up using my referral link, which you'll find in the description or the first pinned comment below, you'll get a $5 bonus just for creating your account. So if you've got a few minutes a day and want to turn your free time into extra income, give InboxDollars a try. Check out the link below to start earning today and grab your free $5 welcome bonus. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money-making tips, and share it with a friend who could use a little extra cash. See you in the next one.